Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by combining the essential prerequisites with action. Confirm one engine and one language, then create a minimal VR scene. Once done, import a simple 3D model, add a camera rig, and map controller input. You do this because hands-on iteration reveals API patterns faster than reading docs. Make sure to enable developer mode on your headset so you can deploy builds. This first step gets you from theory to tangible feedback within a single development cycle. Once your scene runs on hardware, focus on the complex middle. Implement robust interactions and performance. You should prototype teleportation and one-handed physics grabs, then iterate on affordances so users feel grounded. At the same time, profile GPU and CPU to reach 72 to 120 frames per second, depending on target HMD. Use occlusion culling, baked lighting, and single-pass rendering to improve performance. Continue testing on device. Real-world latency and comfort issues only appear under load. To finish, polish interactions and prepare a production build. Add haptics, spatial audio, accessibility options, and a comfort toggle. Then integrate platform SDKs, sign your app, and run release-level tests on target devices. If something goes wrong, recreate the failure in a minimal scene, capture a frame or log, and test device-specific fallbacks. This isolates drivers, SDK mismatches, or performance spikes. Finally, deploy iteratively and gather user telemetry, so each release improves stability and comfort for real users.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.